phylum Echinodermata is the Greek term that stands for echnos for half and derma for skin. Some distinguishing features of this phylum is that they have no head, they have an endoskeleton, and they have a radial symmetry. Some major characteristics of this phylum is that they have adaptations for marine environments, they have a water vascular system, they have tube feet or tentacles for feeding, and they're invertebrates. Some examples of this phylum would be a starfish, a sea urchin, and a sea cucumber. Just imagine it looks like that. Yeah, boom, perfecto.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Now I'd like to journey a little bit more into this marine life. Starfish have a radial symmetry of 5, meaning if you were to cut outwards from the central axis, each section would still be the same as each other section. How this phylum eats. Starfish use their tube feet to open up their food and turn their stomachs inside out to digest the food recently eaten, kind of like this. Sea urchins use their mouths that look like big old beaks to scrape rocks and surfaces of algae. Sea cucumbers, on the other hand, use their tube feet around their mouths, kind of like a vacuum, to pick up small particles on the sea floor. How this phylum gets rid of waste. Surprisingly, starfish, sea urchins, and sea cucumbers all get rid of waste through their anus. For starfish and sea urchins, their waste hole is on top of their bodies, where for sea cucumbers, it's on the end of them.
12 seconds later. 2 hours later.
Survival adaptations. Most animals in this phylum have spiky skin and spine. Most have become nocturnal to hide from their predators, which are usually up during the day. Movement. The animals in this phylum have a water vascular system, which helps them move. They draw in water through their tube feet. Once the water is inside, they expel it, which is what makes them move.
How this phylum reproduces. Sea stars, sea urchins, and sea cucumbers all reproduce sexually and asexually. When these species of animals meet up with their mates, they produce eggs and sperm cells into the water, thus making it an external fertilization. An example of sexual reproduction in this marine environment would be a starfish. When they lose an arm or a leg, that arm or leg then turns into another starfish. The recent starfish then grows back another arm or leg after a while.
Habitats. All animals in the phylum Echinodermata live only in marine environments, which is no fresh water and only salt water. Sensory response and nervous system. Starfish. Starfish have a nerve ring around their stomach to tell what they're going to be eating. They also have nerves on the end of each of their legs to tell if something is near.